All right, so let's get started, right? I want to show you a marketing and copywriting framework. Y'all don't know, like I'm a marketer, so we also do copywriting too, right? And this is my favorite framework because it's just simple. It's 3 points. You got another one that's pretty common called AIDA. And AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. So, and PAS stands for Problem-Agitate-Solution. And I want to tell you a little bit about them really quickly. AIDA, we'll talk about that another time. But you're probably seeing it's always been a little bit silly. There's this picture and this guy, he looks like me, but it's not really me. And I turned it into this running joke of how I lost weight. And I was like, you know what? Let me put together some copy for this. I'm acting like it's a webinar that I'm going to teach and host. I'm like, let me put some copy together for it and post it, right? But it's a teaching. There's a teaching lesson here. And the PAS framework, when you're marketing, like people go out and they write and they think it's all about them or they don't know how to necessarily address their customer. With the PAS framework, this is when you're copywriting and when you're selling online, you have to touch on people's pain points and their emotions, right? And this PAS framework does that, right? So here's how it works. You identify the problem, right? So the person online, they're reading your copy, your letter, or listening to your video. You talk about what the problem is, right? The agitation is you agitate them even further. So you're going to see either in this post or a couple of slides, you're going to see that I touch on the problem. In this instance, I was talking about weight loss. I was talking about weight loss. I said, losing weight is hard or something like that, right? Then agitation. It's hard because you don't know what diet to stick to or what exercise routine to pick. And then you give them the solution. Well, guess what? We have the 19 and 19. I'm going to call it a 19 and 19. I was doing 9 pounds in 9 days for a little bit, but that's besides the point. So I'm like, well, guess what? We have the solution for you, 19 to 19. And that's basically what I said was it's a webinar on how you can lose 19 pounds in 19 days. I don't know much about the weight loss niche, but I did that because I wanted to test out my copywriting skills. So you're going to see those posts as examples of how you should structure your marketing, right? When you see it, I'm going to have it. You're going to see problem. You're going to see agitation, you're going to see solution and my copy. And traditionally, when you write the copy, you don't want to leave those words on there, but I'm leaving that as an example for you to see how you should write some of your copy. And again, PAS is one of the simplest frameworks that you can use. AIDA is also cool, but I wanted to share this one because this is my favorite one. It's really simple. It's 3. Everybody remembers the number 3, and it's pretty easy to do. So here's my offer for you. I'm always making an offer, right? If you need help with copywriting, all you got to do is reach out to me and I'll help you get there. I mean, I can help you do PAS. I can help you do AIDA and a bunch of other stuff around copywriting for your business. Mostly I like to do real estate professionals, but we have an entire team and we can help you get this stuff situated and figured out. So I appreciate you watching and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.